Why is it important to you to empower your patients?
It's important to empower patients so that we're making the best decision for them that's in line with their goals. I think that, one of the main reasons why, I love what I do is because I'm able to participate in a patient's journey. And that journey doesn't always mean that a patient has to live longer. So I try to ask patients, or I do ask patients, what are their short and long-term goals? Do they have life events that they want to get to? Is there a wedding coming up, a grandchild, or something that I can help them get them to, so that we can make a decision together that is taking into consideration their life outside of clinic and outside of the hospital.
Dr. Lai, how do you empower patients?
Yeah, so I like to try to spend a lot of time with my patients educating them. Some people say it sometimes gives them too much information, but I don't feel like patients can make good decisions without being properly informed. So an educated patient makes a much better decision than somebody who doesn't have the information. And then I would also say it's important to emphasize that you and your provider, and your advanced practice provider, and the social worker, we're all a part of the same team, and we all want the best outcome for the patients. And so knowing that you have a team of people that are taking care of you, and that you really need to embrace having learning and understanding as much as possible so that you can make the best decision about your short-term and long-term plan for yourself. So activation tip here is, don't be afraid to ask questions. Don't be afraid to ask about resources and other ways to get information. You want the right resources, so not necessarily everything on Google is accurate, but there are lots of good resources out there that can give you the information needed so that you can make educated decisions.